If this AI TikTok page pulled in 38K in just 7 days from TikTok Shop, and all these other AI TikTok theme pages are pulling in thousands a month, why can't you? If you're young and hungry to make money, this is the best shot you're going to get. It's like Facebook in 2010 or dropshipping in 2016. Opportunities like this don't wait around. They're like a biscuit dipped in tea. Hesitate and it's gone. So don't sleep on this. Don't worry, I'm here to teach you the steps to create these AI theme pages and get you started. You'll be earning thousands, just like all the others. Side note, I'm entrepreneurially minded. What I'm sharing with you in this video will be extremely beneficial in the next 1 to 2 years. When TikTok and Amazon partner up, things will get crazy, and having a following will be essential if you want to succeed. Now, back to the video. To be eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program, your content needs to be original, over a minute long, and surpass 1 million views, and also have at least 10,000 authentic followers on the platform. And yes, you'll need to be in a country where the program's beta is available. That might sound intimidating, but don't worry. I'm going to show you the system that I and many other TikTokers are using to go viral and make a full-time income online. These are my favorite niches: health, wealth, relationships, facts, conspiracies, and stories. These topics are the easiest to create content for and tend to get the most engagement. Here's what you should do. Choose a niche that interests you, and then model your content after viral videos from creators in that niche. For this example, we'll focus on the conspiracy niche. So just follow me and apply it to whatever interests you. We say around 1,000 letters, so the video is over 1 minute. Then we are able to get monetized if the video does well. Sometimes ChatGPT generates scripts that aren't quite up to par. To improve them, be sure to ask for a compelling, clear, and engaging script with a strong hook. Then ask to make the script into one full paragraph, so it's easy to copy. Make sure you're happy with your script. If it needs a few tweaks, go ahead and adjust it. After you've done that, it's time for the next step. So now copy the script and go over to 11labs.io. Link will be in description. It's a software that converts text into speech. The voices are not too shabby as well. Like this.
I am Brian, subscribe to AI Head Z.
Or this.
You still haven't subscribed, bro.
Or this.
Finally you did it. Took you long enough.
Or even free ones like this.
Yes, I am free.
You get the point. First, paste your script into 11 Labs and choose the voice you prefer. Then, click Generate Speech and wait a few seconds for it to load. Once it's ready, press the download button. After the download is complete, you're ready to move on to the next step. The next step is to download CapCut, one of the best free editing software options available. Once you have it, paste your audio script into the app. Seriously, you're not going to find anything better than this. CapCut is insanely good, with a simple user interface that makes it the best editing platform for beginners. Download it and see for yourself. Here's how the audio sounds.
What if I told you that the most powerful weapon in the world isn't a bomb or a virus, but a sound?
Pretty good, right? To make the script even more engaging, we're going to trim the pauses in the video to keep viewers from losing interest. Attention spans are pretty short these days, so just follow along with what I do. Once that's done, we'll move on to the visuals. Once you reach the end, go back and delete the gaps. Make sure to apply this to the entire clip. Next, we'll overlap the clip slightly, just like I'm doing here. This technique keeps the audience engaged and prevents them from losing focus. Trust me, it works like a charm. If you're confused, watch the last part again at 0.75 speed. Okay, time for the next step. Head over to Midjourney. Yes, I know it's a bit pricey, but I've got a special freebie for those who stick around until the end. I haven't seen anyone else do this, so it's unique. Use Midjourney, the leading image generator, to create visuals that align with your script every 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure to do this throughout the entire script. Listen to your script and add an image to CapCut at the end of each sentence, or whenever it feels right. Get all the images in place first, then we'll move on to editing afterward. Follow along with what I'm doing, and apply this to the entire script. Alternatively, if you're feeling a bit lazy, you can ask ChatGPT for picture prompts. However, in my experience, adding your own personal touch to the images tends to get more views. Either way works, so choose what suits you best. Now let me do this for the whole script and I'll get back to you for the editing. Take a look at what I'm doing. If you haven't used it before, just play around with it. You'll get the hang of it really quickly. Don't worry, there's plenty of cool and useful free stuff available. I have the pro version, so I'm making the most of it. I'm showing it to you quickly. If you want to follow along, Just set the video to 0.75 speed. It'll make it easier to see what I'm doing. Basically, you want something happening at all times to keep viewers interested. Once you've finished the script, it's time to add the captions. Click on Text, then find Auto Captions, and generate them. Don't worry, even with the free version, you still have a few tries available. After that, select a template and choose the ones you like. I recommend using the ones where each word pops up on the screen individually. They're best for engagement. There are both free and pro versions, but the free version is almost the same, so go ahead and use it. Once you're satisfied with your video, export it and upload it to TikTok. Then, add the sound you think works best. Remember, rule number 1, never give up. If your first video doesn't go viral, don't stress. Make sure you have pages on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and repurpose your content across all of them. Stay consistent for 100 days, and you'll start seeing results. Consistency is key. You've got this. Here's a snippet of my video. Let me know what you think.
What if I told you that the most powerful weapon in the world isn't a bomb or a virus, but a sound so subtle you can't hear it, but it can control everything you think and feel. They call it the silent frequency. It's a low-frequency sound wave, allegedly used by powerful organizations to influence our minds.
Pretty good, right? Only took me 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. For those interested in freebies, if you don't want to pay for Midjourney, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Then, comment Insta below and head over to my Instagram account, AI Heads. Send me your prompts, and I'll use my credits for you. This offer is only available to the first 100 subscribers, so act fast. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.